In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar in Confluence page. We'll start by creating a new calendar that your team can use. In Confluence, open the space where you want the calendar to live. From there, go to Calendars, which you'll find either in the space sidebar or up in the top header. Depending on your navigation settings, click Add Calendar. Then choose Add New Calendar. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name so people know exactly what it's for. And assign it to the correct space so everyone with access to that space can find it easily. Quick note here, Team Calendars is typically included with Confluence Premium and Enterprise plans, and it's available as a subscription for Data Center. If you don't see the Calendars option, check your plan or talk to your admin. With the calendar created, let's embed it on a Confluence page. Open the page where you want the calendar to appear and click Edit. Inside the editor, you have two easy ways to insert the calendar. You can type the / and start writing Team Calendar. Or use the plus insert menu and search for Team Calendars. Select the Team Calendars macro to open its settings. In the calendar drop-down, choose the existing calendar you want to embed. This can be the one you just created or another calendar that already exists in your space. Next, set how you want it to display. Under View, pick the layout that best fits your content, month for a broad overview, week for day-to-day planning, list for a concise agenda-style view, or timeline for a project-style schedule across dates. This choice helps your audience focus on what matters most. You can also set a specific width and height to control how much space the calendar takes on the page. If your page has a lot of content, a fixed size can keep things tidy. If the calendar is the star, give it more room. Then choose where to show the calendar legend, either at the bottom or on the right. Putting it on the right can save vertical space, while the bottom can be easier to read on wider pages. You'll see the calendar interface appear in the editor, so you can confirm the look and layout. When everything is set, finish by clicking Update if you are editing an existing page or Publish if it's a new one. Your calendar will now be visible to anyone with access to that page. That's it. Thanks for watching.